chicken chili con queso. Okay, I'm just finishing off frying up my tortilla chips. These are carb counter La Banderita tortilla chips. There's only four net carbs in one tortilla, and I've got 3 of them here. And I fried them in some refined coconut oil. So this chicken chili con queso is absolutely delicious. We'll heat our pot. The recipe for this is below in the comments. I've got 8 ounces of water. I'm gonna put that in. And I've got some sodium citrate, a teaspoon of sodium citrate. If you haven't tried sodium citrate, I'll link to it below in the comments. And it just liquefies cheese. It's just so yummy. This recipe kind of reminds me of a buffalo chicken, but it's con queso. This is a couple of tablespoons of my taco seasoning, sugar-free taco seasoning. And that, again, is below in the recipe. And it's delicious. So I'm putting that in. I just want to infuse the water with some really good Mexican flavor here. We'll bring this up to a nice high simmer. The cheese of my choice today is an aged cheddar. And I've got 8 ounces, and it's shredded. So we're just going to add this in and stir as we go. And it'll liquefy that cheese nicely. Pepper jack would be really good with this too. Okay, I've got a can of Rotel tomatoes with diced chilies. There's only 6 carbs in this whole tin, and you can use homemade salsa if you like. But this is a nice fast way. This is an easy meal. So there are the tomatoes. Now, this is one large chicken breast, and I've shredded it with 2 forks. Just kind of pull it apart. So we're going to throw that in. You can use a store chicken too if you like a cooked chicken. So cheesy. And I've got 1 jalapeno, and I took the seeds out and I just put it into little rings like that. And we're just going to heat this up. There, I like that. That's nicely heated. Now I want a little bit of liquid in the bottom too. I'm going to serve this with a little bit of caulirice too. So I'll just plate this up. Nice and cheesy. There you go. There's shredded chicken con queso with some tortilla chips. Let's try that. That is so good. Cheesy. Okay, stay out of it. And some of that juice in the bottom there, that liquid, that'll go on the caulirice. That'll be really delicious. There's chicken con queso. Thanks for watching.